What if I told you that the iPhone packaging is one of the most engineered products that Apple makes? Not the phone, the box. And this satisfying sound, Apple actually has a dedicated packaging engineering group that develops things like the opening mechanism. It's apparently patented, and there were hundreds of prototypes before they got it right. So that for about 2 seconds of peeling and lifting, you have this satisfying experience. And then you throw it away. So what's actually going on here? Peel back the wrap, and there's that sound. One clean as the seal tears in a perfectly straight line. Not torn, not jagged, sliced. Then you lift the lid, and it doesn't pop off. It pauses and slowly sinks back down on its own, like something invisible is holding it in place. Underneath, it's not flimsy plastic either, and it's precisely molded fiber, shaped down to the millimeter to hold the phone exactly in place with zero rattle. Now compare that to almost any other phone box on a shelf. Thin cardboard, loose plastic trays, packaging that feels like packaging. Apple's has never revealed exactly what this cost to engineer, but between the material research, custom tooling, and testing, it's reasonable to assume it adds real, measurable cost to every single unit. Money spent making a box feel expensive for the 60 seconds before it ends up in your recycling bin. That's the part that should bother you. If you're into this kind of stuff, the details Apple never puts in a keynote, you're going to love it here. We cover Apple product leaks, rumors, and breakdowns like this every week. So hit subscribe and stick around. Here's what's actually happening. There's a razor-thin gap between the lid and the base. When you lift, air gets trapped and has to slowly escape through that gap. And that resistance is the drag you feel. It's basically a tiny air pressure brake. Writer Trung Phan described unboxing an iPhone as a full sensory event. You see it, you feel the friction pulling back. You hear the air rush out. And Apple's former design chief, Jony Ive, flat out admitted, "Steve and I spent a lot of time on the packaging." Not a little. A lot. This wasn't a happy accident either. Apple has patented the design of the iPhone box itself, dating back to the very first iPhone in 2007. The crazy part isn't that Apple engineered a box. The crazy part is it worked. People post entire videos of just the unboxing. Some remember that sound more than they remember opening the phone itself. That's not packaging anymore, that's product design. If Apple puts this much invisible engineering into a box, you'll throw away in a week. Imagine what's hiding inside the phone itself. If Apple puts this much invisible engineering into a box, you'll throw away in a week. Imagine what's hiding inside the phone itself, or what's coming next that Apple hasn't even announced yet. That's exactly what we cover here. Apple leaks, rumors, and the details Apple never talks about. Watch our video on iPhone 18 Pro leaks, iPhone Ultra, Apple's first foldable, and many more on the back-end feed. And subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.